Sometimes, a thought begins as nothing more than words on paper. Fragile, small, yet heavy with hope. You carry it with your hands showed to the world.
Is this what you were looking for?
No, this isn't it.
But the world turns away. They walk past, blind to your message, leaving you alone with the paper and your doubt. And then, something shifts. Pens move as if guided by unseen hands. One rolls closer, inviting you to reach out, a subtle reminder. Opportunity often appears when least expected. You set the camera, adjust the light, prepare one press. The upload begins. And suddenly, numbers rise. Views, likes, attention. The quiet room hums with possibility. Again, you record. Again, you upload. And the world slowly starts to notice. People gather, faces lit with curiosity and admiration. You glance at the glowing YouTube sign, a symbol of this new frontier. A silent acknowledgement, a thumbs up, a moment of quiet triumph as your voice, once a word on paper, now echoes beyond these walls, from humble words on a page to a space alive with eyes and hearts. Every journey begins small, yet carries the weight of infinite possibility.